Welcome! Time for an unboxing. So, what do we have here? All the way from China. So we're going to unbox this box. We're also going to unbox this box. Of course, a roll of filament. So I bought this Prima filaments. It's supposedly a little bit stronger than ordinary PLA filament. So yeah, I'm going to use this for building some stronger materials. Ta-da! It's my Cetus 3D printer. Here's the quick start guide. Some filament, a USB cable, another roll of filament, PLA filament, more filament, blue one, and we get green filament. We get a power cord, and I live in Sweden, so it's great. We got this EU power cord. So here are some extruded aluminium. I just remove that. You got this
build plates. You got a tool. What is called? The pliers.
Yeah, pair of pliers. You get this scraper to get your prints off the build plate. You got an Allen key. You get, well, bag of bolts and screws and stuff, and some tools. Let's put that aside. Oh, here's the print head, I think. Yes, with some 3D printed stuff on here. And a fan, and here's the extruder itself. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And here's the power supply.
I suppose there's a power cord somewhere. Put that aside for now. Ah yeah, I already unboxed the power cord, so it's all there.
Okay. And then we have, let's see. How is this supposed to work? Like that. Oh, it seems to be the printer itself. Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, the box is empty. And here's the printer itself. So I wonder if I should read the manual. Okay, here's one part. seems to be the horizontal railing. Yeah, really sturdy stuff and high. It seems like high quality. I mean, I get the feeling that it is high quality, but what do I know? So let's put that one down there. And here's the rest of the printer. Is this one part? Let's see. Yes, it is. This is one part. This one is empty. And this is the bottom plate, I imagine. So, yeah. I don't know if everything is in picture now. Let's do it like that. So that's all that was in the box. 3 bags of filament. Yeah, and this isn't filament. This is the tubing for feeding the filament to the extruder. We have a quick start guide, USB cable, power cord, power supply, the horizontal beam and the bottom plate, the print head itself, the build plate, the tools, Allen key, this mysterious bag with stuff I have to check, and that was that. Okay, now I'm going to build this, and I don't know if I'm going to film the building. It's all over YouTube how this is built, so maybe I do, maybe I don't. At least now you know I have this Cetus 3D printer, and I'm excited to start using it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.
If you like my videos,
feel free to do nothing. Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.